6 million years ago, we have the last grandmother which we shared with the chimpanzee. 2.5 million years ago, human evolved in Africa and first stone tool was created. And around 2 lakh years ago, Homo sapiens, the species to which all modern humans belong, emerged in Africa. So from roaming in an African jungle and hunting for the food on daily basis, how we came up to the modern lifestyle that we live in today. What path does modern human walked on to reach to the point where it is today? Let's find out. Now, to understand the history of Homo sapiens, we should go through the 3 main revolutions we went through to reach to the place where we are today. Number 1. The Cognitive Revolution. The Cognitive Revolution, which occurred around 70,000 years ago, marked a significant turning point in the human history. During this period, early humans developed complex behavior such as language, culture, and technology, which allowed for the greatest communication and cooperation. The development of language in particular had significant implications for human culture, leading to the creation of complex religion, artists, and philosophical traditions, and the transmission of the culture knowledge across the generation. Additionally, the cognitive revolution led to the development of more advanced tools and weapons, which allow for the expansion of human range and the development of large and more complex societies. Overall, the cognitive revolution set the stage for the development of modern societies and had significant implications for understanding of human nature, demonstrating that the humans are not just biological organisms but also a cultural being. Its impact can be felt today as ongoing debate about the nature of human cognition and culture continue to shape our understanding of the world around us. Number 2. Agriculture Revolution. The Agriculture Revolution marked a significant turning point in human history that took place approximately 10,000 years ago. It transformed human society by shifting from hunting and gathering to agriculture and pastoralism. The ability to cultivate crops, raise animals allowed to reliable food supplies and large population, leading to the development of large and more complex societies, emergence of cities, and complex political and social systems. Moreover, agriculture provided humans with more varied diet, which improved the health and longevity and allowed for the growth of large population. However, the agriculture revolution had long-term environment consequences such as deforestation, soil erosion, and water depletion, which are still a major environmental challenges today. Agriculture remains one of the most important industries in the world today, employing more than 1 billion people worldwide and providing food for over 7 billion people. Ongoing innovation in agriculture, such as mechanization, biotechnology, and precious agriculture, will continue to shape our future, raising concern about the environment and social impact of industrial agriculture. Number 3. Scientific Revolution. The Scientific Revolution was a pivotal period in the human history that saw a significant shift in the way human approaches understand the natural world. It happened around 500 years ago, and during this time, scholars and scientists moved away from the traditional knowledge and beliefs and instead turned to the empirical evidence and experimentation to better understand the universe. This led to major advancement in the fields such as medicine, physics, and astronomy, and laid the foundation for ongoing scientific progress. The development of scientific method during this era remain a cornerstone for modern scientific inquiries and has led to major breakthroughs in our understanding of natural world. The scientific revolution continues to inspire new generation of scientists and scholars, and its impact on the human society is still felt today.